A cooking method that brings out the flavor of this adaptable vegetable and unlocks a host of health benefits is steaming onions and water. In this video, we'll look at the nutritional benefits of adding onions to your steaming routine, examine the many health benefits of eating steamed onions, and talk about how steaming brings out the best qualities in onions. We will also provide cooking methods, strategies, and recipes to help you maximize the benefits of steaming onions with water in your regular meals. The nutritious benefit of steaming onions. Steaming onions not only enhances the taste of your food, but also provides it with vital nutrients. Now, let's explore the many health benefits that steamed onions offer. Minerals and vitamins in onions. Wow. Vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, and potassium are just a few of the vital vitamins and minerals that are abundant in steamed onions. These nutrients are essential for preserving general health and well being of the human body. Onions fiber content. A wonderful source of dietary fiber that promotes digestive health and may help decrease cholesterol levels is steamed onions. Including steamed onions in your diet can help you meet your recommended daily intake of fiber. Health benefits of steaming onions. Steamed onions have several health advantages that go beyond simply enhancing the flavor of your food and can improve your general well being. So, what are those health benefits? The first one we'll be looking at is better metabolism. Bloating and gas may be lessened by steaming onions, which are easy on the stomach. Onions' high fiber content can aid in promoting a healthy digestive system. Support for the immune system is the second benefit we are looking at. Steamed onions include vitamins and antioxidants that can boost your immunity. Also, there is a video that has been made already on the channel talking about 12 food that boost your immune system. If you are interested in the video, please, you'll see the title of the video popping out on your screen. You can watch that video to learn more about that. So moving on, it also increases your resistance to infections and disease. Talking about how steamed onions, improve your immune system. So the third one we are looking at is anti-inflammatory characteristics. Compounds found in onions have anti-inflammatory qualities. Onions can be made less inflammatory in the body by steaming them, which helps preserve these beneficial components. How steaming boosts onions' health benefits. One way to cook onions that retains their nutritional content while also improving their flavor is by steaming them. We have often heard that vegetables' nutrients are best gotten when eaten raw. That it's been added that cooking vegetable reduces the nutrients present in the vegetable. I have heard this several times and I actually believe it. It's it's just the truth for vegetable, but for onion, it is a different thing. So when cooking onions, steaming preserves more of their nutrients than frying or boiling. So you receive the maximum taste and nutrition from this aromatic vegetable. Also, by steaming onions with water, you may ensure that you obtain a good dosage of this vital nutrient by minimizing the loss of water-soluble vitamins such as vitamin C. Maintaining the health benefits of onions through gentle cooking. You may still enjoy the flavor and nutritional advantages of onions by using the gentle cooking method of steaming, which helps retain their health benefits. Benefits of steaming onions with water in cooking. 1. Adding depth and flavor to your dishes. Steaming onions with water not only increases their health benefit but also improves the culinary experience. 2. Improve taste profile. You may bring out the natural sweetness of onions and improve the flavor of your food by steaming them with water, which will make your food taste better and be more pleasant. 3. Preserving the color and texture of onions. Steaming ensures that your dishes look as good as they taste, with the texture and color of onions being preserved. Advice and methods for steaming onions successfully. 1. Selecting the proper onion types. There are differences among types of onions when it comes to steaming them. When steaming onions, go for sweeter varieties like Vidalia or Walla Walla for a softer taste. These kinds often caramelize wonderfully and give your food a hint of sweetness. Chopping and steam readying onions is the second point here. Cut your onions into regular slices for consistent frying. Whether you favor wedges, rings, or chopped pieces, make sure their sizes are comparable. By doing this, you can ensure that they steam uniformly and that no part of them becomes overly done while the rest is still undercooked. 3. Cooking times and steaming techniques. Onion can be steamed in a number of ways, including as on the stove top with a steaming basket or on the grill by covering them in foil packet. Whichever way you choose, try steaming onions for 10 to 15 minutes, but personally, I think I'll just stick to 2 to 5 minutes. That's fine for me. Or until they are soft but not overly soft. Take care not to overcook them since they will get mushy very quickly. Recipes and concepts to help you include steamed onions in your diet. Side dishes with steamed onions. Serve up a straightforward yet delicious side dish of steamed onions seasoned with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper to enhance your game. They are a tasty and nutritious side dish to grilled or roasted meats. Adding steamed onions to stews and soups. The next time you are preparing a pot of soup or stew, think about including some steamed onions to give it a richer flavor and texture. Their caramelized sweetness can improve the flavor of your food, overall increase its satisfaction. Including steamed onions in sandwiches and salads. Steamed onions will add to your salad and sandwiches great flavor and taste. Layer them on sandwiches for more flavor or mix them into green salad for a sweet, savory contrast. With just a little effort, steamed onions may elevate your regular dishes to remarkable levels. To sum it up, steaming with onions and water is an easy yet powerful approach to improve the nutritional content and flavor of your food. By learning about the advantages or benefits of this cooking technique and implementing it into your cooking arsenal, you may savour delectable meals that promote your general health and well-being in addition to satisfying your plate. You can try a variety of recipes, method, and flavor combos to explore the countless possibility and options that steaming onions may provide. Please share your thoughts and experiences on steaming onion with water with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to check previous videos on the channel, like this video, also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and please share this video so that others people like your family, your friends, everyone around you can benefit from the video. Thanks so much for sticking to the end of the video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Love you guys. Take care of your health. Remember, health is wealth.